guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the best setting sprays out there. I love setting sprays and I have a setting spray for like every different purpose and occasion. So I'm going to put you guys on to the setting sprays you need in your life. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, and follow me on Instagram because we can talk on there. So follow me on Instagram and let's get into the video. So the first setting spray I want to start with is the ABH Dewy Set. I have mentioned this several times on my channel, I think, but we need to dive into it a little bit more. This is the ABH Dewy Set, and they make it in full size. They actually make it in mini size, and they make it in mini size with different fragrances. I've only tried this one, the original. I love this setting spray. It's coconut and vanilla scented. So if you don't like scents, then you're not going to like it because it's scented, but I love it. There is no glitter in it. The packaging has a bunch of glitter. So often when I was working in stores, people were like, is there shimmer in there? And they're kind of scared, but no, there is absolutely no shimmer. It's just the packaging. What I love about this setting spray is that it really blends your makeup together and makes it melt into your skin. So I love using this as soon as I'm done doing my makeup, because when I'm using powders, setting powders, sometimes your makeup starts to look a little bit too powdery, like the powder residue might look a little cakey. So spray this on and it just melts right into your skin. Your skin looks like butter. It doesn't even look like you're wearing makeup. Like, it just melts it right in. I don't feel like this has a holding power to it. I simply use it to blend my makeup in together, take away that residue and make it look more buttery and soft. That's what I use it for, not to prolong the makeup. So this is all I use it for, and guys, it's amazing. You definitely need to use this. Another thing I like to use it for is just to like refresh my skin throughout the day. It kind of, what I find is after a while and you're wearing makeup for a long time, sometimes you feel like your makeup is kind of fading, not really like looking like it first did. So this is really good to refresh your makeup throughout the day. It's amazing. You spray it and it looks like you just did your makeup all over again. So it's really good for refreshing as well. So the finish for this is dewy. I'm sure you guys already picked up on it because it's called Dewy Set. The finish is a nice dewy radiant finish. If you are oily, you might not like this because you might feel like it's going to make you look extra shiny because it's going to give you that dewy finish. But don't worry, I got you. I have another setting spray for you. But this is going to give you the dewy radiant finish. And I personally am oily, but I still use it because I combine it with other things. So it's possible. So now this is my other favorite setting spray. And this is for anybody that has oily skin, combination skin. This is what you're going to use. This is going to be your holy grail, I promise you, life-changing. This is the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. Guys, this is so good. I'm very oily, especially in the summer. I'm just like a grease pan.
Okay.
Like, I'm extremely oily, I'm shining, and this is so good because it actually has powder inside of it. And when you spray it, it sets it and it takes away the shine. It's just amazing. So on here, it says it gives you a comfort matte finish and helps control oil for comfortable weightless feel that lasts the whole day. And I swear to you, it does. In the summer especially, I spray this all the time because I get so oily and it just like mattifies my entire face. This does have a scent as well, so if you don't like scents, you're not going to like this. This smells like peaches. It's amazing. I love it. The key thing with this is you have to make sure you shake it because, like I said, there is powder inside of here, and if you don't shake it and you spray, you're going to have a bunch of white dots on your face, and trust me, that's happened to me. So make sure you spray it. This comes in a full size and it also comes in a mini size. I usually have this at home and then I have a mini with me because, like I said, I'm super oily. It says on here that it offers up to 12 hours of shine control and makes your makeup last for about 16 hours. So that's a pretty long time if you ask me, especially the shine control. Girl, I need that. And it kind of gives you a little bit of a blur effect, and who doesn't like that? We all want that nice, smooth, blurred effect. You know, the Instagram filter, it literally looks like that. So it's amazing. And then obviously you guys already know what finish it is. It is a mattifying finish. So if you like matte, this is about to be your thing. Now this is a classic Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. I feel like everybody has tried this already. If you haven't, you have to. It is so good. This was like my first love. This was like my first setting spray love. Like, I love it. It has up to 16-hour wear. It's lightweight, and temperature control technology. It comes in so many sizes, guys. This is the jumbo size. It comes in a mini size. It comes in a standard size, a jumbo size, a value size. And I think right now they're actually selling a 2-pack on Sephora, which is an amazing deal. So they have it in every size for you guys to try. And guys, this is key to keeping your makeup on. So this I love to use to keep my makeup on if I know I'm going out somewhere and I need my makeup to stay on all day, all night kind of thing. This is my go-to. This is the one I'm grabbing because, like I said, my other two served different purposes, but this is simply to hold my makeup on. I love this. And I remember there was one night, I don't know if I told you guys this story. There was one day where I went to like a day festival in Toronto, and it was outdoors. And guys, it was so hot, like scorching. And of course, you know me, I wore a full face of makeup. And I made sure to spray this on my face, and no lie, guys, I was drenched, like sweating. It was so hot that day, but my makeup did not budge. Not even like a sweat mark of like my makeup dripping. Like it stayed on, and I was shook. Like I looked in my little mirror and I was like, my makeup's still on? Like what? But I'm telling you, this will work. So on here it says it absorbs oil, controls shine on the skin's surface. It has a patent temperature control technology that lowers the temperature of your makeup from foundation and concealer to eyeshadow and blush to lock your makeup look in place. So that's what it is that keeps your makeup on. And the result is smoother looking skin and vibrant makeup that lasts all night. Guys, I promise you, if you're in the market for something that keeps your makeup on, I got you. This is it. So the finish to this is more of a natural finish. I don't find that it's mattifying or dewy or anything. It's very, very natural. And there is absolutely no scent to it. So that's a plus. And like I said, it's about to keep your makeup on all day, I promise. And this is my new love. It is my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel, you guys already know I have mentioned this so many times. This is like a recent found love because I just started using this a few months back, and guys, I love this. This is my second bottle, and it keeps your makeup on all night, all day. I actually find that this keeps it on longer than this one. The difference with this is that it keeps it on all day, all night, but it actually makes your makeup transfer proof and smudge proof. I have sprayed this on my face and my makeup does not smudge. Like even when I'm smudging it, it doesn't smudge. It doesn't smudge onto my mask, onto my hand, onto my boyfriend. Like it does not smudge at all. And if you wear a full face of makeup, I know you ladies understand. Sometimes makeup gets on your boyfriend, but let me tell you this, it makes sure it does not smudge. It's amazing. It does have a scent to it. It's kind of like a rose floral scent. So if you don't like scents, you might not like this either. But again, I don't mind scents, so it doesn't bother me. On here it says it primes and sets your face for 16 hours. So similar to All Nighter, 16 hours. There's no melting, no fading, no creasing. And like I said, that's true. It does not do any of that. It's great. And they make this in 2 sizes. This is the regular size. They make it in a mini size too. If you do want to try it out, you totally can in a mini size. But guys, I'm telling you, the big size is totally, totally worth it. On here it says it's a hydrating, alcohol and oil-free spray that weightlessly sets your makeup for 16 hours without melting, fading, or settling into fine lines. And yep, that's very true. And the finish to it is more of like a natural finish as well. It doesn't make me too dewy or anything. And I actually didn't spray anything on, so I'm going to spray this on. That feels so much better. They say that you should only do like 2 or 3 spritz, but I'm guilty of doing like 10. I like to just spray every angle. Do you guys do that too? Because I'm always doing that, even with perfume. So if you're looking for something that's going to keep your makeup on smudge free, not getting onto your mask, this is the one you need to pick up. It's amazing. I'm really liking this even more than All Nighter. So guys, that's the end of my video. Those are like my ride or die setting sprays. I love them. And like I said, they all do different things. So let's just go through it again real quick. This is great for setting your makeup and melting it into your skin, taking away the powder residue. This is great if you have oily skin, mattifies you, keeps you matte all day, takes away all that oil. And then these two are the long wear setting spray. So I hope this video was helpful and you find the perfect setting spray for you. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, what setting spray you use. Did I miss a good one? Because I'm always trying to add to the collection. So comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, add me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.